Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging the little sister of our ice cream beauty bag. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out for yourself. I'm sure you will love it. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to go ahead and take everything out of our bag. And okay, so I have to tell you, they are one of the bags or subscription boxes that actually still has a description card. This one is not very large because this one has 3 products in it. If not, you know, every now and then they throw in a couple extra ones, but 3 products is what usually comes. And so the information on here lets us know what the products are and the description of it and the cost. Okay, so the first item that we have is by ZEEZA Cosmetics, and it's this one right here. Can you see that? Okay, now this one is the Tipsy Kitty eyeshadow quad. All right, now we've had quite a few items from ZEEZA in our ice cream beauty bags and boxes. Okay, and I have to admit they've been pretty good. All right, now you heard it's a quad. So what does that mean? There are 4 shades in here. It does have a mirror that's full size for this particular palette. Okay, and it has, I want to say, the purplish line or lavenders, and there are shimmers in here. There is a glitter and a matte. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $20. Okay, now $20 already. We are almost 2 times what this bag cost. Okay, I'm just saying right off the bat. Okay, so you know, beautiful. The packaging is nice. All right, and this one says colorful animal 4-color eyeshadow palette. All right, now it has an expiration date of October 31st 2026. I'm telling y'all, these eyeshadow palettes are doing their thing, okay, with longevity. Okay, so then the next item that we have is by GERARD Cosmetics. Now we've been getting quite a few from them lately, okay, but I don't care because I am loving it. All right, now it says that this one is the Color Your Smile Gloss. All right, and it's this one right here. It is a 6.5 gram or 0.23 ounce size. All right, it's a light 'em up lip gloss. Do y'all remember when we talked about that previously, where it has the lights inside? All right, well, nonetheless, we're going to check it out in a minute. It has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, now the shade that we have is called Navel. Okay, so with this one being in the shade Navel, let's just take a look at it. Now, I have to tell you, I have come to love these particular lippies. Why? Because they have the mirror on the side, okay? And in addition to that, when we open it, look, you can see the light showing up already. There is a light, so you can put it on in the dark if need be. You know that we swatch in the end, so stay tuned so we can check it out, okay? Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for that one is $24. Now, here comes the last item, all right? Now, according to this, it says, this is by Crown Pro Cosmetic Company, of course, and it's the large eyeshadow singles. Now, this is flipping amazing to me, y'all, because I just said to you, we usually get 3 products, okay? 3 products in theory. This one is 4 of them. Look at that. This one right here is Chestnut C21. Then we have Infidelity C49. Then we have Best Black. It actually says Best Damn Black, okay? And that one is C11. And then we have Chocolate Ganache, and this one is C7. Okay, so right off the bat, This right here was unbelievable. Now, normally, this says they are $12. Now, is it $12 each, or do they come to a total of $12? Well, because they guarantee us at least $75, I'm gathering they're $12 each. So that right there in and of itself is fantastic, because the 4 of these, $48. Okay, so I don't know if I want to swatch them all. We are at the end, but what I will do is I'm going to take them out of the box so that you can get a better look at the shades, and then we'll talk about them, okay? I have them all out of their packaging so that you can see what they look like. Now, I want to tell you, I have a empty palette that I've been wanting to fill for a while. It is magnetic, and each of these are actually, this is one I'm going to keep, so I'm going to show you. This one is the chestnut brown, so when I take it out, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, and all I have to do is put a magnetic piece on the back, or actually the palette that I have, which I'll show you later on. I'll put a picture of it up here. It's actually magnetic, so all I have to do is place each of the pans in it. Okay, so it's absolutely beautiful. So it comes in a case in case you wanted to just carry that one with you. No need to, you know, carry a whole lot of product if you don't have to. But if you're going to create your own individual palette, there you go right there. This is a fantastic start. Okay, now it says for pros by pros. Okay, and they each have a 24-month shelf life. That is amazing to me. That is absolutely amazing to me. So just so you can get a really good up close look, that's one right here. This is the chestnut color. This one, I doubt very seriously I'm going to keep this one. Look, I'm all about the name thing, and this does not apply to my life at all, or my lifestyle. But this one is called Infidelity. Okay, those who the words really don't mean much to them, that's completely up to you. I am most definitely keeping this black. You can never ever have too many blacks, okay? And this black is gorgeous. So I took this out of, or I took the cover off of this one so you can actually see what it looks like. Now I'm gonna tell you, for older women, those of us who are getting up there, or I'm going to say reaching a certain season in our lives, it is amazing to use these when you do your liner. I promise you. I will show you a couple liner looks if you would like to see, where you can understand exactly what it is that I'm talking about, and you can truly apply it. It is so easy, and there are tons of palettes that we have that actually have a black in them, especially if you are one of those who gets Juvia's Place palettes. They have black, but to have this one by itself, I'm here for it. Plus, if you're putting a liner on, go over it with the eyeshadow, okay? Get you a nice slint. We'll talk about that in another video if that's something you would like to see. Okay, the last one that we have is Chocolate Ganache, okay? And this is beautiful as well, okay? It almost looks good enough to contour our nose, the bridge of our nose, but nonetheless, absolutely beautiful. Well, we'll go ahead and swatch the 3 that I'm going to keep. This Chocolate Ganache is beautiful. That's it right there in the middle. Fantastic, okay? Let's go ahead and we will swatch the Lavender Glitter in the ZEEZA palette. Oh, that is beautiful. This would make a great, that's it right here in the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it across the, oh my God, that is beautiful. And you know what? It would make a beautiful highlight as well. Okay, I'm just saying. Look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. So that's here right on the bottom, plus you see it in action up here. All right, and then I'm going to take Lastly, I'm going to take this navel shade of gloss and I'm going to put this right over top of this NARS lippy that I have on. Okay, so the last item, the navel, what are they calling this one? This is the Light 'em Up lip gloss. So we're going to take this one. It's a lip gloss. It's Light 'em Up because of this as well. All right, so we're going to take that and we're going to put it right over top. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. What are your thoughts? I'm loving this. I'm loving this light, y'all. It's doing what it does. Okay, and y'all already know, before I put it back in the bottle, I am wiping off the applicator. Okay, I do not want my colors to no longer be a true navel, okay, or whatever it may be. So what do you think? I have to tell you, I'm loving everything. Absolutely everything that was in here. So let me know your thoughts down below. Okay, so I really like this lippy, y'all. Can you tell? So, but nonetheless, let me know your thoughts about the Ice Cream Beauty bag. Okay, Ice Cream Beauty bag. We've already done our box. Everything in that was fantastic as well. But right now with the bag, loving this. Okay, and so are you subscribed to the Ice Cream Beauty bag? I'm going to just let you in on it right now. The Ice Cream Beauty bag is $12.50. Now, we talked about this earlier in the year before we switched over from the Ipsy Glam bag, which you get 5 items, but there are sample size or deluxe samples, okay, or travel sizes. These are always full size products. And this month, to get 6 products, 6, come on, y'all. I'm just saying, for $12.50, and we have over, well, you'll see in the end exactly what the value is of everything that was here. Okay, well, of course, I would like to say thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our Ice Cream Beauty bag. Okay, these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some info down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's bag. In addition to that, if you'd like to see my eyeliner tricks or for mature eyes, let me know. I'll hook you up. Okay, we'll definitely hook you up. We can go ahead and do a video on that. If you want to do a live, we can do a live. If you want to do a Zoom, we can all do it together. I don't have a problem with that either. Just let me know down in the comment section below, okay? And then share it. Share the information with your bestie, just somebody you really believe would want to participate or subscribe to the Ice Cream Beauty bag or box, okay? Now, most importantly, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.